I'm going to show you how fast and easy it is to create stunning professional quality videos with Flickstr. You can start with a blank canvas, a YouTube video, or 30 video templates used by an agency, so they're super professional in literally just one click. Text boxes to these as you want. Kinetic text effects also. Then click on the image, shows you a preview, and you can choose an animation right here. Click OK to add it to the slide, add it to the project. Then you can drag and drop it where you want. You can click on the sounds menu, and you can go ahead and add a background music track. You can also add a voiceover track. Or you can even record your own voice right into your video. And if you want to add videos as backgrounds for your slides, you can do that as well. You can choose from the included video. You can upload your own, or you can even add one from YouTube right inside the software. When your project is ready, come up here and click Produce, and then you can choose where you see how fast and easy it is to make jaw-dropping videos with Flickstr. And I just showed you a small sample of what this superpower software can do.